Your car has secret dust hiding spots that only this stretchy cleaning putty can actually reach. Trust me, I thought I knew where all the dust was until I tried this PULIDIKI gel. It found dirt in places I never even considered. The tiny gaps around my shifter knob, inside the coin holder slots, even in the texture of my dashboard plastic. This stuff stretches and conforms to literally any surface. Press it down, let it grab everything, then pull it straight up. No scrubbing, no wiping, no leftover residue. I've had mine for 4 months and it's still going strong. The gel turns darker as it collects more dirt, so you know exactly when to replace it. What shocked me most is how gentle it is. My expensive leather interior, perfectly safe. Delicate electronic displays, no damage whatsoever. It's made from natural materials with this subtle lavender scent that actually smells good. Perfect for quick cleanups or deep detailing sessions. I even use it on my laptop keyboard and TV remote at home. If you're serious about keeping your car properly clean, not just surface clean, this tool is essential. Don't settle for half measures when perfect cleaning is this easy. Order your PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel today and reach every hidden corner.